Managing CAM data can be challenging. That's why NXX Manufacturing now includes built-in data management designed specifically to help you with the manufacturing complexity. From revision control and where used visibility to in-context collaboration, your data stays accurate, safe, connected, and accessible when it matters most. Our current CAM setup has three design parts. In our CAM setup, once we post-process the NC program, we'll go ahead and save our manufacturing data. Here we have the option to import our activities, such as the NC program, into the Teamcenter database. Transitioning to the Active Workspace, which is an interface embedded in NX that allows users to search, view, and manage product and manufacturing data stored in Teamcenter without leaving the NXX manufacturing environment. The same data that was authored in the NXX manufacturing session can now be viewed in the Teamcenter browser. Here, supporting a shop floor personnel to be able to access the manufacturing data. The overview of the Part Manufacturing tab supports a graphical preview of your manufacturing data, a list of resources which are referenced in your CAM setup, a list of activities such as an NC program or workshop instructions, all instantaneously accessed over the browser. We can also investigate the NC program and workshop instructions. First, we can support downloading and viewing the workshop instructions or the NC program all in the Teamcenter browser. From NXX Manufacturing to the shop floor operator, this manufacturing data can be consumed with one source of truth without any replication of the data, and this data can now be transferred over to the machine. Switching back to the Active Workspace in NXX Manufacturing, as this is the same data found on the Teamcenter browser, to understand what material is being used for a workpiece in your CAM setup, we can simply open this item in the Active Workspace and look into the material as one of the descriptions in the item. In this case, our material is aluminum 2014. With access to built-in data management, we can also support discussions on manufacturing data. Built-in data management enables efficient collaboration, like shown here, where I can check with the machining experts about the machining parameters, such as a stepover. I can assign who I want included in the discussion and whether or not I want to make the conversation public or private. I can also create tasks with my manufacturing data. For example, in this CAM setup, I would like to get my NC program reviewed. I have the priority set as high with a due date selected. The data is already highlighted, which is my CAM setup, and I've assigned it to a colleague. They will then get a notification about the task and have the ability to examine what is being asked of them. With built-in data management in NXX Manufacturing, teams collaborate seamlessly using a single source of data. No data replication, no extra systems. Access the latest manufacturing data directly from NXX Manufacturing or a Teamcenter browser, making it easier than ever to stay connected, aligned, and productive.